So hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is our accuracy for today. And to join our channels, you can just click on the link in description or just message us on our BBR support on Telegram. We provide daily signals to our members. So this is our first trade for today, American Express OTC. I will explain you all the trades step by step, which we took on our channels today, and the logic behind them. So the first signal was for American Express OTC for the call side. This was a very good win. In this, the price reached a key support level and the price respected that zone and showed a bullish reaction each time it touched the zone. This means this was a very good support level. So we just took an entry on the support level for the call side, and this was a very good win. You can just check out, amazing win. The next signal was for Intel OTC for the call side. In this trade, this was also a very good win. Price reached a key support level again, and this was a very strong support level because the price rejected many times from here and the buyers defended the zone. As soon as it reached the support level, we took a call side entry here and we won this trade. You can just check out, amazing win. These were our trades for today, 2 normal article wins. We didn't take many trades because discipline is the key to success. We won our trades with a good entry plus with a good logic. We don't rush many trades if we know, that's all for today. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.